Holy shit. Lick it.
Diarrhea.
$100 to lick it.
Dude, $100, dude, it's gonna be like a $1,000 hospital bill. That's nice.
Yes, sir. Cold start. Stock 86. Didn't clean it because I figured we'd get a dirty driving it today. Let's go. Just scuffed up a little bit. I think my first wheel scuffs are right here. Kind of see it. I think I drove too close to a curb. Minor dent from the freaking trees of death when I parked under like a forest once. Here we go. We're about to test if this car is Mickey D's ready. Mickey D's approved. I'm gonna put a freaking coffee behind me. I'm gonna shift and knock it all over the place. Mickey D's. Oh. Oh my god. Almost, my car started rolling forward. I forgot to go into...
Iced coffee. Or should I get hot coffee?
Either coffee, you're gonna be shitting your brains out, so...
I like the way it feels when I shit.
What?
Which, shitting does feel kind of nice sometimes.
It does. Like it's very satisfying when it just slides out.
Gotta get the hash brown. That's like a guaranteed fucking purchase right there. $6 for a fucking brekkie Sammy, bro? That is insane.
The spicy egg McMuffin is actually pretty good.
That's new. How do you know, you fat ass? Iced pumpkin coffee. What the helly?
That's what I'm getting.
Camera on camera. We're doing McDick's haul.
McDick's and mukbang.
I love my iced spice latte. First time trying to ice spice coffee. It's pretty good. Tastes like fucking pumpkin. Hash brown for sure. I used up my entire battery for eating fucking McDonald's. We haven't even gone anywhere yet.
Somebody nut in my bagel.
Someone nut in your bagel?
Oh my god.
Damn, that shit's creaming, bro. That's all you can do in Michigan. Go to nature and just drive on back roads. Holy shit. Oh man. Nothing brings me more joy. Deer is a scary word to hear.
Literally just jumped right there.
Whew. That was scary. that actually, my heart dropped for a second. I don't know why. Oh, nice vet. Why does it smell like that? It's my car.
It is
That smell?
Yeah.
What is that smell?
Tires. You're taking it right here. It's right here.
Someone did? Ah! Lick it.
Diarrhea.
$100 to lick it.
Dude, $100, dude, it's gonna be like a $1,000 hospital bill.
Amazon. Are bikers on the road? I thought they were just gonna be on the.
Do we have to walk on the side?
Man, I don't fucking know. This just looks better for bikes. That's why.
Sure.
Okay. Yo, look at this one. That's sweet.
Wow. I like these are butterfly knives.
Dang.
I like those.
Dang. Yeah, no, these are really cool. Actually, like that is sick.
That's nice.
With the scorpion. Gang shit. That's all I'm on. Gang shit. Should we just walk over? Let me see if there's parking here first. I'll just turn around here. Oh, fuck.
Right here, those waters for you guys. Of course.
What we grubbing? Yeah, they actually got some nice quality menus, bro. A good quality menu. Look at this thing.
Yeah. So far. How they had it in the back.
I don't know what I'm doing. I honestly don't know what I'm doing. Yo, this shit kind of clean. This shit clean, bro. Damn. Okay. Okay. Let's go.